I have my gaiters on, winter tracks, so I don't slip on this ice here. And the snow is getting deeper, so it's snowing now. And I put on another pair of nice woolen socks, so I'm toasty and warm. I've got winter insoles, so I'm all good. The snow is picking up now, and I need to go and try to saw some wood. It's not going to be easy today, that's for sure, but I don't have any more blanks left, so I've carved it all. And this today is like a little break in the weather. This is nice weather today. Well, go figure how it's gonna be when a bad weather hits. So, well, hopefully we'll make some spoon blanks today. Just need to pick up some water here. This is a great source here. Beautiful clean water. Look at it gushing. Well, I'm getting into proper winter. Proper mountain climate now here. It's snowing. See? Nice, eh? Winter time is coming. Windows are filled with frost. I went to tell everybody, but I could not get across. I wanna be your lover, baby. Don't wanna be your boss. Ice below me. Proper ice. Everything is iced up here. Still snowing. More and more snow as I go up. Do you hear the wind? It's proper cold, windy, snowy. Well, I have arrived at my office. It's gonna be an intense day. I need to make some spoons. Snow is quite deep here now, but I have all my gear on, so it should be okay. It is beautiful here. Here's my stump. I need to clear it up. And here's my cherry stash. Oh, that's gonna be nice. It's all frozen. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a joy. Well, let's start working. I need to clean my work surface. A lot of fresh snow, and it's still snowing a bit, so this is rotting now. Well, we're gonna make do. Nice and frozen. This is a piece of cherry I stashed last time. It's full of snow. It's pretty much frozen, but it's a nice piece, and I need to make some blanks. Yeah. Well, this is what I came here for in this weather. This is what I want. Beautiful straight cherry. So now I'm splitting my large piece into smaller pieces like this, and then I'm gonna draw some spoons on it and axe them out, and hopefully we get some blanks so I can do some carving while I'm at home where it's warm and nice. Still, it's a beautiful day. This is the cherry I'm splitting. More snow and a lot of wind picking up. Time to head back home. Night is slowly coming. I'm losing light fast now, so it's still snowing. It's quite windy and it's very cold. So night is falling and I'm heading back home.